China and the United States agree on the first phase of a trade deal. Hello, I'm Mike Walter, sitting in for Anna Naidu, and this is The Heat. China and the United States have reached a trade deal to suspend new U.S. tariffs on Chinese goods due to take effect on Sunday, reducing some of the existing tariffs and increase Chinese purchases of U.S. farm products. There's still a lot more work to be done, but the initial deal could provide some relief in the ongoing trade war between the world's two largest economies. CGTN's Sean Callebs has more in this report.
It is a breakthrough deal that is heavily invested in hope and potential. Both China and the United States agree this first phase is critically important and could set the tone moving forward in what has been a lengthy and tense standoff.
China and the United States have agreed on the text of a Phase 1 economic and trade agreement based on the principle of equality and mutual respect.
The written agreement has yet to be translated and made public. China and the United States both say this first phase is a good start, and both sides are getting some of what they want. U.S. farmers have been especially hard hit by tariffs in this ongoing trade war. China says it is agreeing to buy more agricultural products, such as soybeans. With U.S. President Donald Trump boasting Beijing will buy as much as $50 billion in American farm commodities.
This is a very large deal, the China deal. It covers tremendous manufacturing, farming, a lot of rules, regulations, a lot of things are covered. It's a Phase 1 deal, but a lot of big things are covered.
China's economy has suffered at Trump's punishing tariffs on hundreds of billions of dollars in goods. The U.S. says it will maintain a 25% tariff on some $250 billion in Chinese-made products. But under this agreement, it will reduce tariffs from 15% to 7.5% on $120 billion in items.
Both sides have reached a consensus that the U.S. side will fulfill its commitments to phase out its additional tariffs on Chinese products, so as to achieve a switch from hiking to cutting additional tariffs.
China says this partial agreement also includes a number of issues the U.S. has pushed to change, including intellectual property rights, technology transfers, financial services, and exchange rates. But the details remain unknown. The 9-chapter agreement has yet to be made public. There is no question this is an important step in resolving the 19-month-long trade conflict. The White House also says a mechanism is being set up to handle any disputes. And if one side isn't satisfied, it can take action. Action that could include imposing tariffs once again. Sean Callebs, CGTN in Washington.